Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. If you are new here, welcome. I talk about anything and everything that helps us ladies to look beautiful, whether it is hair care, skin care, makeup, body care. If you like my video today, please give me the thumbs up. And if you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. Today, I want to talk about another Paula's Choice products that I would call a game changer in my skincare routine. I've done a lot of Paula's Choice products, and I'll put the links down below, all the way from vitamin C to retinol. I've used a lot of her products, and my latest discovery is the 20% niacinamide. This product here, I'm going to call it game changer. There aren't many products that I call game changers in my skincare routine or in my life, but for something for me to regard as game changer, it's got to really blow me away. This is niacinamide, vitamin B3, 20%. I know if you go onto YouTube, there are a lot of dermatologists who say that 3 to 5% is sufficient for your skin. But I find this 20%, which is a lot, is doing dramatic changes to my skin. I have been using the 10% for some time now, and this is a great product, especially for those of us with sensitive skin and those who suffer from a bit of mild rosacea. But I find this 20% by Paula's Choice, this one really calms my redness, really calms any inflammation, and at the same time, it really evens out my skin tone. And you even see that brightening, that because the skin is no longer red and inflamed, my skin calms down, and I do see a glow and a brightening of my skin. I'm going to take it out to show you what it looks like. So it's in this little jar like this. The color is it's got a slightly brown tinge, and the liquid is slightly thicker. Almost, if you look carefully, if you know what I mean, it's not as watery as the 10% niacinamide or your vitamin C. This one, the texture is almost oily. To be honest, when I first put it on my face, I didn't think it was going to absorb into my skin because of that quite slightly oily texture. But it does. My skin just soaks it up, just drinks it up, and it does get absorbed. I find it perfect to pair it with my Paula berry serum. So I'll put my 20% niacinamide. This is my morning routine. And when this has dried, it dries very quickly. Your skin just drinks it up. And then I'll put my Paula berry serum. And this one just adds the hydration. And that's all I need. My two serum and then moisturizer and sunblock. I'm just going to read to you the other ingredients in this product and what makes it so superior. There are two main ingredients in this 20% niacinamide. One of the main ingredients is acetyl glucosamine. Acetyl glucosamine on its own is actually sugar. The scientific name is amino monosaccharide. It's sugar actually. But what they have found with the synthetic form of acetyl glucosamine has got an N in front of it. But in most skincare, they just put acetyl glucosamine. It's the synthetic form. The reason why skincare companies use the synthetic form is because it is more stable, whereas the natural form gets unstable. There are two great things that it does. Number one, it is very good for evening out skin tone. Very good at reducing and getting rid of skin discolorations. The other thing that is really powerful about acetyl glucosamine is that it is a precursor for hyaluronic acid, which means it helps your skin to make or to create hyaluronic acid. Our skin does have hyaluronic acid. And of course, if our skin has hyaluronic acid, it's going to keep our skin looking plump, looking firm and elastic. So acetylglucosamine is a superior anti-aging product in skincare for those two reasons. The other main ingredient in this product is purslane. Purslane is actually derived from a weed, actually. It's a green plant, a green succulent plant. The technical name is Portulaca oleracea. Yeah, it's actually a weed that you can find in your garden, and it's a succulent plant. And you find that the juices they extract from this plant is very high in omega-3 and omega-6 acids. It's also very high in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. And it's great. In fact, it's not new in skincare. People for centuries has used this green weed for its anti-inflammatory, anti-aging, antioxidant, and hydrating benefits. So this product here, this niacinamide 20% is powerful. Not only it has the 20% of niacinamide vitamin B3, it's got your acetylglucosamine and purslane, which will help reduce inflammation for those of us who are rosacea sufferers. That's just reduce the inflammation, reduce the redness, evens out your skin tone, evens out discoloration, and also healing. Is vitamin B is wound healing, also heals your skin at the same time. I know a lot of dermatologists say that niacinamide 3 to 5% is sufficient for your skin, but all our skin is unique. My skin is so different from your skin, and if this 20% is beneficial for my skin and does so much goodness for my skin, and my skin can tolerate it, why not? I mean, if there's no difference between the 10 and the 20%, Paula's Choice wouldn't have made it. Wouldn't have made one with 10%, one with 20%. And if you find that this 10% is not doing enough for your skin, switch to the 20%. And if that 20% is doing so much goodness for your skin, why stop using it? I have been loving this product, this 20% niacinamide. It has made such a huge difference to my skin tone, definitely. This is a game changer in my skincare routine. I've been so loving this product. I know I love my vitamin C and all that, but my skin sometimes can be quite sensitive to vitamin C. And especially for those of us who have very sensitive skin, where we are very sensitive to retinol and even vitamin C. Vitamin B is an excellent alternative. Vitamin B is highly regarded as a restorative vitamin. And this has just evens up my skin tone, has brightened my face every time I put it on. You can purchase this from Paula's Choice in Australia for Australian $48. To me, Australian $48, it works out to be about $53 New Zealand dollars. For 53 New Zealand dollars, you're getting 20 mils of these superior products. You really can't go wrong. So thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please give me the thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.